I'm Sigsolo. Welcome to this non-shaving video. It's the unboxing goodies from BOTI. Here you have it. Unboxing goodies from BOTI. My knife for today is the Global Utility Knife, kitchen knife, and this is my scissors. So, there you have it. Let's give this... I know what this is, or I think I know. Chloé from BOTI contacted me and said, hello Sig, we would like to send you some brushes. Pick anything you like from our site. And I said, I would just like, oh, wait a second. Okay. I would just like to have the softest badger knot you have. I don't care what it's called and whatever handle, just the softest knot you have. And then she told me what they were and said that she would send me not just one, but two, the two softest they have. And they should be in this. There you have it. Okay, so it's wrapped. It's wrapped. Very good. I didn't consider that, so I didn't bring my glasses along. But let's see if a little scissor can fix this. This is, oh man, this is nice looking. This is a special one because this is ebony tree, ebony wood. And the knot in it is the most soft, the softest one they have. It's called the 4-gore. So, and it's also one of the densest. I will leave a link below for their site for you to see. No scent to it, but damn. This will be used on the 27th of September for the final SS/SE September shave. This one here will. Man, that's nice. Thank you, Chloé. Thank you very much. This is awesome. Looks like a 26 millimeter. Man, I believe the 4-gore is made from the finest back hair from the badger. That's what their site said. If that's true, I have no idea. There's another one in here, and I can just push it up. Oh man, and this is heavy. So this is their second softest badger. This is the one called the High Mountain White Badger, the silver tip. And this is the fan knot. And this is a metal handle. It's very heavy. It says handmade BOTI. I don't know if you see it. I think you do. And I believe this is adjustable. So what you do is, you see, it started off all the way down at the bottom. And then if you don't like the splay of it or the size of the splay, you just twist. Then part of the handle goes up and you see the loft gets shorter. So how far does it go? I don't know. I don't want it to go all the way off. It shouldn't. Look at this. So from 58, or is it 60, and all the way up to, I don't know, almost nothing. So here you have it. And here you have the two beside each other. Thank you very much, Chloé. Thank you very much, BOTI. Man, this is nice. Ebony tree and 4-gore back hair, the softest of all, high density one, and the fan, White Mountain Badger fan with the adjustable handle. And this is It feels like stainless steel. I think it is, because this is very heavy. So thank you for watching. You know why we do this? We do this because we are not obsessed, we are dedicated. Sigsolo out.